Hey guys, Joshua Zamora here, and welcome to the official demo video for Quillaio, which is the most advanced platform that writes, optimizes, and posts profit-producing product reviews from any URL for 4 of the most profitable keyword types in 90 seconds or less, so that you can get page 1 rankings and earn affiliate commissions for the most profitable and easiest keywords known to marketers. So this is the first time that someone has built a platform that not only writes product reviews for you, which is AI content with a purpose, but with a very specific purpose, because it writes for the most profitable type of keywords for you, and I'll show you what that means here in a second. So to come in here and use Quillaio, all you have to do is hit this plus sign up here, and we have the option here at the top for Quillaio to write regular reviews for specific products, to write reviews around the for dummies keywords, which is a variation of a how-to keyword. So pretty much an example of that would be something like Forex for dummies or futures trading for dummies. Instead of someone searching for how to trade Forex, there's a ton of traffic and people that add for dummies to the end of their keywords instead of writing how to. Comparison keywords, which is some of my favorite type of content that goes overlooked quite a bit, but there's so much profit and so much traffic in this type of keyword, which is pretty much comparing 2 or more different products. And then we also have how-to keywords. My favorite way to use how-to keywords are pretty much comparing explaining how to use a very specific product. So an example of that would be something like this here, how to use RMR 86 and RMR 141, which is a very specific mold removal product. All right, so this is going to lead people down to a buying option at the end. So they're going to be able to make a buying decision at the end of reading this type of content around this keyword. We also have the ability for you to have local reviews written for you if you're working with local clients and you want to make it easier for their customers to write reviews and post those reviews on your clients' local profiles. You can use our platform to have those reviews written for the customer, and then just have send it to them for approval or any changes, and then have them actually post it, because many times customers don't want to go through the hassle of actually writing a review and posting it. But if you handle the writing for them and then you send it to them, and then all they have to do is copy paste, that is a much easier way to get reviews actually posted onto your clients' local profiles. We also have just regular blog post keywords in here if you want to just have a regular blog post written. And we have a sales video script writer, which you, depending on which level you purchase, you'll be getting it access to that as well. So in this demo video, I'm going to go ahead and go for the comparison keyword type, which is, again, one of my favorite type of keywords that not many people target, but there is so much traffic, so much profit in this type of keyword. So for the example that I'm going to go with here, I'm going to actually go for seeing some running shoes, since I'm an avid runner and usually run about 3 miles a day. But I was going to just go ahead and go directly to comparing 2 shoes that I've been running in lately, which is the On Cloud shoes or the Hoka shoes. But in doing my research, I found some better keywords, which is to compare 2 products, but to compare it for a specific industry. So I wasn't aware that this was such a big niche where nurses actually look for specific shoes, which does make sense since they are standing for most of their day on their shifts. So that's the actual content that I'm going to have written. I'm going to compare 2 shoes, but specifically for a specific industry, to make it even more targeted. All right, so I'm going to just capitalize some of these. Then here, depending on which level you purchase, again, you're going to be able to increase this up to 1,800 words. And again, it all depends on which level you purchase. I'm going to put it at 1,000 for now. I'm going to put On Cloud versus Hoka for nurses. Then here, I'm going to go ahead and do a secondary term like best shoes. I'll do R on cloud or Hoka shoes better for nurses as an example. Just have a secondary keyword in there. Links, I'm going to automatically add my affiliate link here. I'm going to do Hoka, or yeah, do Hoka shoes as an example, and I'm just going to link to this here. All right. Now, outside of this demo video, I would probably spend a little bit more time and find an actual specific product page on Amazon to link to, and I'd probably link to both on Cloud and Hoka so that our system will be able to add both of my affiliate links depending on whichever one the person reading it picks to buy. All right, I'm going to add authority links to give our article a little bit more credibility. I'm not going to add images for this one because this is an actual two specific products that I'm talking about. So when I go to post this to my site, I'm going to actually have it, I'm going to use custom images, and I'm going to take images most likely from Amazon and add those into my post. Now here is where the magic happens. This is the data sources, and I can use up to 3 different data sources to pretty much give our engine the information to write the product review around. So for this one, I'm going to go back to here, and I'm going to go ahead and open this. So this is a Reddit post, Hoka or on Cloud, specific for nurses. Okay, I'm going to put that in there, a URL. Now, depending on which level you purchase, again, you'll be able to unlock all 3 of these data source types. So PDF, URL, or YouTube video. I'm going to go ahead and add that there. Let me see if I can find some other links that have data sources. And again, you can use any URL that you like. So we can have this one here as well as a YouTube video. And again, this all depends on which level you purchase, if you can have YouTube in here or not. And I'm going to see if I can find one more. All right, I'm going to go ahead and click this one here as well, on Cloud versus Hoka. All right, add that one there. And we are good to go. I'm going to go ahead and now hit create. And that's how simple it is to come in here and have high quality reviews written for you for some of the most profitable and easiest to rank for keywords that you can find and that most marketers target. So this is going to take about 15 to 20 seconds to actually complete this content. So I'll pause this video for now and come back once it's completed. All right, so that did take about 15 seconds to complete. And here you can see the exact article that was written for me. Not only did it optimize the title for me, but it talks about the features and technology comparison, the benefits for nurses, the drawbacks and considerations, and a conclusion, which is the best choice for nurses. So I'm going to go ahead and just stop this here so you guys can pause this video and have a read through this. But it gives an intro. All right. Not only that, but it also adds my affiliate link right here at the top. It adds that authority link here to give our content a little bit more credibility. And it again has a middle and it has a conclusion, and it covers everything that a potential nurse who is looking between Hoka and On Cloud shoes should be looking for when they're reading and figuring out which shoe to purchase. All right, so perfect content written here for me in a matter of 15 seconds for comparison keywords where you're comparing 2 or more different products. And one of the reasons that this is one of my favorite type of keywords is because just about every product out there has a competitor now. So instead of just having written a review around just On Cloud shoes or just Hoka shoes, I can then go a bit deeper and compare products to their competitors and get even more high quality content posted onto my site. All right, and then from here I can just come to this post to WordPress option, and I'll be able to add your WordPress sites by clicking on this option here. You would enter your information, add our plugin so that it can post on your behalf, add your details here, click OK, and then your list of sites would show up here on the left hand side. You just select it, and then here are the posting options. You can publish it right away, you can leave it as a draft, you can choose the post date. I'm going to leave it blank so it can post right away. Your posting category, it automatically fills in the tags there for you. It automatically writes your post description there. And here is where you can go ahead and add your images. Now, like I said, I would go ahead and add custom images here for this particular type of post because they're talking about specific products. But just for the purpose of this demo video, I'm just going to go ahead and select some of these here on the left hand side. All right, and I'll go ahead and add one more here. All right. Again, obviously, I would not be using these since they are not the relevant images for this post. But again, what I would usually do is just come to Amazon, take some of these images and use those in my post. All right. And then here you can also edit and add or remove anything that you'd like here into the content. You can change the title. That title seems pretty good for this particular post. And yeah, from here I would just click post, and this content would get automatically posted to my site. All right. And that's it. That's how simple and easy it is to come in here and have quality content written for all of the best type of keywords that you can target. And you can see here's one that it wrote for me for how to. So it specifically talks about how to use these two products for removing mold. All right, here is one about a specific product. So here's a product review about the late put ear max remover. So this is targeting just a general direct review for one product. And you can see here, this is one of the reasons why I would add custom images instead of using the built-in image option when I'm talking about specific product. Because here I obviously wanted to use images about this particular product. But you can see here, you can pause the video and have a read at this, and it also adds my affiliate link and it adds that authority link. But you can see that Quillaio writes some very high quality reviews for you. And here's another one about the competitor of that earwax removal tool. So as you can see there, I'm not only writing each individual review for that product, but I also did the comparison one. So I wrote a review for each product, and then I also have one comparing the two. All right. So now I'll have some of these posted on this page as well, so you can read through them. But again, these are some very high quality product reviews that you can have written for some of the most profitable type of keywords that you can target for your niche sites. And you can also even turn these into video reviews as well. So we've truly built something special here. We are offering a very special deal right now for Quillaio, so make sure you do take advantage of it. And I look forward to hearing your success using our tool and having high quality product reviews written for you for 4 of the most profitable type of keywords you can target.